Guys, welcome back to the channel. I was looking for a case for my new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that provides great protection and aesthetically looks better. So I stumbled across this ESD hybrid case on Amazon that sells for about 15 US dollars. So on the packaging, it says strong 1500 grams magnetic lock. So I use a similar case for my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I mount this on ESR magnetic car phone holder, and it's pretty dope. And here it says 3 times military grade protection, and on the back it says scratch resistance acrylic back. So with that said, let's go ahead and open and see what's inside. So there's some paperwork. So these are some MagSafe ESR products that you can find on Amazon. And here is the warranty guide. And this says active 24 months warranty. That's insane. And easy replacement with no return needed. So in case if your product comes with damage or wrong item or missing items and it doesn't fit or work properly and quality or performance issues, you don't need to send this back to ESR. You can just keep it for yourself and get a new replacement unit. So that's all you get inside the packaging other than the case itself. So this is the frosted black color, and here is the magnetic ring. Let's put the phone into it. And it fits perfectly. And here it rises slightly above the screen, as you can see here. And you get this acrylic back, which is scratch resistant and also yellowing resistance as claimed by ESR. To be honest, I've been using a similar case with my iPhone 16 Pro Max as I showed you for the last 2 months, and I haven't had a single scratch yet, which is really great. And here is the camera guard, and it is slightly raised to give some protection for these camera lenses. And on the side, you have got these air pockets to absorb the shocks in case if you drop the phone down. And overall, it's a pretty stylish and sleek design, and I absolutely love it. And also, it's pretty comfortable to hold. So I recommend this case if you're looking for a reliable protective case for your Samsung S25 Ultra. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video.